आज की एकादशी है मोक्षदा एकादशी. Let's discuss the significance of Mokshada Ekadashi. Generally, Ekadashi is considered to be extremely fruitful to perform auspicious things like donations, etc. Mokshada Ekadashi helps a person get rid of past sins. पुराने पापों से मुक्ति पाने के लिए मोक्षदा एकादशी काफ़ी मदद करता है. On this day, it is believed that whoever observes the fast meets with the fulfillment of all desires of life. मोक्षदा एकादशी में उपवास रखने से जिंदगी की सारी इच्छाएं पूर्ण होती है. It is the same day when Lord Krishna preached Bhagavad Gita to give a new direction to human life. आज ही के दिन श्री कृष्ण ने भगवद गीता का ज्ञान दिया था. If anyone wishes to repent for the sins or wrongdoings committed in the past and come out of it, the day of Mokshada Ekadashi is highly beneficial. There are 26 Ekadashi and out of all, Mokshada Ekadashi is very very special. अगर कोई अपने पुराने पापों के लिए मुक्ति चाहता हो या अपने गलत के लिए अगर पास्ट में किए गए कुछ गलतियों के लिए उसमें से बाहर निकलना चाहता हो तो मोक्षदा एकादशी उसकी काफ़ी मदद करती है और काफ़ी बेनिफिशियल भी होती है. कैसे मनाएं मोक्षदा एकादशी? आज के दिन वर्शिप लॉर्ड कृष्णा ऑन द नाइट ऑफ मोक्षदा एकादशी. भगवान कृष्ण की पूजा रात को कीजिए. कंज्यूम फूड ड्यूरिंग द आफ्टरनून ऑन दशमी तिथि अ डे बिफोर एकादशी. टेक अ बाथ इन द मॉर्निंग एंड ऑब्जर्व फास्ट. Perform puja with flowers for Lord Krishna. Worship with diya lamp and offer prasad to Lord Krishna on this day. Donate food to the poor on this day. Also worship Lord Krishna with tulsi. ये एकादशी को बैकुंठ एकादशी के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. Let us know how to worship Lord Krishna on the day of Mokshada Ekadashi as per the zodiac signs. For Aries, worship Lord Narasimha form of Lord Krishna. Donate food to handicapped people. Chant the mantra Om Namo Narayana for 27 times. For Taurus, donate sweets to poor people on this day. Chant Om Reem Shri Lakshmi Bhyo Namaha for 15 times on this day. Also chant Shri Suktam Path. For Gemini, observe fast on this day by taking food without salt. Chant Shri Bhagavatam. Visit Balaji Form or Balaji Temple and have darshan. Cancer, observing fast will prove to be beneficial for you. Chant Om Namo Narayana 11 times. On this day, seek blessings of your mother. Leo, chant Aditya Hridayam on this day. Chant Vishnu Sahasaranamam. Worship Lord Sun. Virgo, recite Bhagavad Gita. Donate green gram to poor people. Chant Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya for 41 times. For Libra, recite Saundarya Lahari. Offer curd rice to the handicapped on this day. Perform puja for Lord Vishnu and Ma Lakshmi. Scorpio, worship Lord Narasimha on this day in the temple. Chant Shri Mantra. Observe fasting on this day. Sagittarius, donate food to Brahmin and take their blessings and worship Lord Narasimha form. Capricorn, worship Lord Vishnu on this day. Chant Om Ketve Namaha for 7 times. Donate sesame seeds to the poor on this day. Aquarius, chant Vishnu Sahasranamam. Chant Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Donate food to diseased persons. Pisces, chant Shri Suktam. Chant Shri Vishnu Suktam. Donate the books of Bhagavad Gita to the poor. सो अपने ज़ोडिएक के हिसाब से ये रेमेडीज़ ज़रूर ट्राई कीजिए. डू ट्राई दिस रेमेडी एज पर योर ज़ोडिएक. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.